1st of June. Members of the Rbywo Youth Welfare Organization gifted a well-constructed house to an underprivileged family in Mirdon Nongba village in Rbywo district. The Rbywo members handed over the house to Bashisha Soktung, a mother of 6 children who has been enduring life without the breadwinner. Following the unfortunate demise of her husband, Bashisha Soktung faced challenges of a difficult life, striving to feed her children and meet the needs of the family. Compelled to earn a livelihood by working, she received an insufficient wage for her efforts. Moving by the plight of Bashisha Soktung and her family, the members of the Rbywo decided to construct a suitable shelter for the family.